Attention! If you or a loved one was diagnosed with mesothelioma, you may be entitled to financial compensation. Mesothelioma is a rare cancer linked to asbestos exposure. Exposure to asbestos in the Navy, shipyards, mills, heating, construction, or the automotive industries may have put you at risk. Please don't wait. Call 1-800-99-LAW-USA for a free legal consultation and financial information packet. Mesothelioma patients call now. 1-800-99-LAW.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 197, effective until 9 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties: in South Dakota, Lawrence, Pennington, Custer and Fall River; in Wyoming, Crook, Weston and Niobrara; in Montana, Carter. Remember, a tornado watch means conditions are favorable for tornadoes and severe thunderstorms and close to the watch area. While severe weather is not imminent, persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, TV, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
There are those of us who like to venture to the unexplored. Those of us who go out there with a sense of wonder, bridging worlds, finding delight in our differences.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Niobrara County in eastern Wyoming until 4 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:27 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near 2 miles west of Manville, or 11 miles west of Lusk, and was moving east at 30 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Destructive hail, deadly lightning and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. This severe thunderstorm will be near Manville by 3:34 p.m. and Lusk by 3:52 p.m. Take cover now. Move to an interior room or the lowest floor of your home. This storm may intensify, and a tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Repeating, the National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Niobrara County in eastern Wyoming until 4 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time.
Support for NPR comes from the Elliott McRae Institute of Political Science, supporting the teaching of civics and other political education in schools and elsewhere since 1987, and by viewers like you.
This is NPR.
This is Wyoming Public Radio. I'm Julie Withers, and it's currently 4:10 p.m. and 59 degrees Fahrenheit here in Laramie. Coming up at 5 p.m. will be All Things Considered, followed by Fresh Air at 6. We're now going to return to our regular program of jazz music for your listening pleasure here on Wyoming Public Radio.
The National Weather Service in Cheyenne has issued a tornado warning for central Weston County and eastern Wyoming until 4:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 4:07 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 5 miles northwest of Upton, or 33 miles northwest of Newcastle, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Upton around 4:18 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or the most interior part of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. If you are outdoors, or inside a mobile home, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, the National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for central Weston County and eastern Wyoming until 4:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. South Dakota until 5:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 5:19 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, train weather spotters spotted a tornado 6 miles south of Hermosa, heading north at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, train weather spotters. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Hermosa around 5:28 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or the most interior part of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. If you are outdoors or inside a mobile home, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, the National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for north central Custer County in southwestern South Dakota until 5:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time.
This is an administrative message from the city of Rapid City. All clear. The tornado that prompted the tornado emergency has left the area. It is recommended that, unless your home is in relatively stable shape, you are requested to move to emergency shelters in the following locations: Founders Park, Memorial Park, Wilson Park, Central High School, Horace Mann Elementary, the Rushmore Mall, and the Western Dakota Technical Institute. The city has been devastated. Please stay in your home, or if this is impossible, proceed to one of the previously mentioned shelters. This message will repeat in 5 minutes.